Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Interactive Brokers Traders Workstation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to download that application, you just simply have to open any of your browsers into your computer. And after opening the browser, just simply search for Interactive Brokers into there, and after searching Interactive Brokers, this option will appear. Just simply click into Interactive Brokers LLC Home. And after clicking into there, this page will appear. Now into here, you just simply have to click into this login button, and after that it will give the option to download Trader Workstation. Click into that option, and after that you can select any of the versions that you want. I'm selecting this latest version, and after selecting this, click to this download button, and this will be downloaded into your computer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.